Freelance Writing, How to Earn Money Writing Online. Hello, and welcome back to 100 Ways to Make Money Online, the series where we explore practical, beginner-friendly, and legitimate ways to build income on the internet. In today's episode, we're going to talk about a skill that has created successful careers for thousands of people around the world: freelance writing. Many people believe you need to be a best-selling author or have a degree in journalism to become a freelance writer. The truth is, you don't. If you can write clearly, communicate ideas, and are willing to learn, freelance writing can become one of the most flexible ways to earn money online. Imagine this. A business owner needs articles for a website. An online store needs product descriptions. A technology company needs blog posts. A YouTuber needs script writing. A startup needs email newsletters. All of these businesses are looking for writers. Instead of hiring full-time employees, many choose to work with freelancers from around the world. That's where you come in. So, what is freelance writing? Freelance writing means creating written content for clients on a project-by-project basis. You decide who you work with, what you write about, and often when and where you work. You don't need an office. You don't need expensive equipment. All you need is a computer, an internet connection, and the ability to write content that helps businesses communicate with their audience. Now, what kinds of writing can freelancers do? There are many opportunities. You can write blog articles, website content, product descriptions, email newsletters, social media posts, YouTube scripts, ebooks, technical documentation, case studies, press releases, business reports, and even AI-edited content. The more skills you develop, the more opportunities become available. Now let's discuss how freelance writers earn money. The most common method is charging per article. For example, a client may hire you to write a 1,000-word blog post. Other clients pay per word. Some prefer hourly rates. Experienced freelance writers often work on monthly contracts, providing regular content for businesses. As your experience grows, your rates usually grow as well. So, how do you get started? Step 1 is choosing a niche. While general writing is possible, specializing often helps you earn more. Popular writing niches include technology, health, personal finance, education, travel, digital marketing, real estate, artificial intelligence, business, and software. If you already have knowledge in a particular subject, that's an advantage. Step 2 is building a simple portfolio. Even if you've never worked with a client, you can write 3 to 5 sample articles to demonstrate your writing ability. Choose topics in your niche and make each article clear, useful, and well organized. Your portfolio becomes your proof of skill. Step 3 is finding clients. Many freelance writers begin on platforms that connect freelancers with businesses looking for content. Others reach out directly to companies, agencies, or website owners who regularly publish articles. Some clients also come through LinkedIn referrals or personal websites. Step 4 is learning SEO. Search engine optimization helps your articles rank higher in search engines. Clients often pay more for writers who understand how to create content that both readers and search engines appreciate. Learning basic keyword research, headings, readability, and article structure can make you much more valuable. Now let's talk about communication. Successful freelance writers don't just write well. They meet deadlines. They ask good questions. They communicate professionally. And they deliver exactly what the client needs. Reliability is one of the fastest ways to earn repeat business. Let's also discuss mistakes beginners should avoid. Don't copy content from other websites. Always write original work. Don't accept every low-paying project forever. Gain experience, but gradually increase your rates as your skills improve. Don't miss deadlines. Clients value reliability just as much as writing ability. And never stop learning. Every project teaches you something new. Now, how much can you earn? Income varies depending on your experience, niche, writing quality, and client base. Some beginners earn extra income by writing a few articles each month. Experienced writers who specialize in high-demand industries often build full-time careers serving businesses around the world. Freelance writing is a skill-based business. The better your writing, research, and communication become, the more opportunities you'll create. If you're wondering where to find work, there are many well-known freelance platforms. Upwork connects freelancers with businesses worldwide. Fiverr allows you to offer writing services directly to clients. Freelancer.com features writing projects across many industries. People Per Hour helps freelancers connect with businesses looking for content creators. ProBlogger Job Board regularly lists blogging and content writing opportunities. LinkedIn is another excellent place to build your professional network and connect with potential clients. Remember, these platforms are just starting points. Many experienced freelance writers eventually receive referrals and repeat clients without actively searching for new work. Before we finish, here's one important thought. Writing is more than putting words on a page. It's about solving problems, helping businesses communicate, helping customers make decisions, helping readers learn something valuable. When your writing creates value, clients are happy to pay for it. Start by writing one article, then another. Build your portfolio. Improve your skills. Ask for feedback. Stay consistent. Every article you write makes you a better writer. Thank you for listening to episode 5 of 100 Ways to Make Money Online. In episode 6, we'll explore another exciting online income opportunity that you can start with little investment and a willingness to learn. Until then, keep writing, keep learning, and keep creating value. Because your words have the power to inform, inspire, and build a successful online career.